Today, I'm going to prove to you that you do not physically move your body from one place to another one any more than you move it in your sleep while dreaming at night, because you are literally inside a waking dream of your consciousness right now. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to dream yourself or shift into any reality you desire instantly. Say you're sitting on the couch in your living room right now, and you decide to move into your bedroom. Now, how would you even know when you are in your bedroom? There is only one way to know: through your awareness of being in your bedroom. So where did you actually move? You moved in your consciousness or in your awareness. Pay very close attention to what happens before your body ever takes the first step. Before you take the first step towards your bedroom, or before you take your body there, don't you see or feel yourself already there in your mind? Or aren't you already aware of being in your bedroom? Before your body follows you where you are in your consciousness or in your awareness. To give you an analogy, you move in your waking life in the same way you move in your sleep while dreaming at night. When you dream at night, your body never leaves the bed. But inside the dream, you might be walking, running, talking to people, and experiencing completely different realities. In other words, in your night dream, you are moving, when in reality, you don't really move your body anywhere. Your body remains perfectly still on your bed, and it doesn't move anywhere. So then how do you experience any reality in your night dream as real or objective to you? You experience it through your awareness of being your body in that reality in your night dream. And you move through various realities in your night dream through your awareness of being in any particular reality. Now, what happens when you wake up? That entire reality in your night dream suddenly disappears or becomes subjective to you, while your current reality becomes objective or real to you once again. Why? Because you are no longer aware of being the version of yourself inside the night dream, but instead, you are now aware of being the version of yourself lying on your bed in your current reality. Your night dream didn't become subjective to you because you physically traveled millions of miles back to your bedroom, but because you are simply aware of being the version of yourself in your bedroom right now, or in your current reality. You see, wherever you are aware or conscious of being, there you are. Without your awareness of being in any reality, you can't be in that reality, or it can't be real, or it becomes subjective to you. So both the version of you in your night dream and the version of yourself in your current reality or your waking dream is simply an experience or a dream of your consciousness. You move between your waking dream and your night dream via your awareness of being in either one of them. And you move in your waking dream through various parallel realities in the same exact way via your awareness of being in any particular reality. You see, your real self is your consciousness, your awareness of being, or your I am. Thus, you never physically move your body from one reality to another one. In the same way, you never physically move your body between your night dream and your waking dream or your current reality. You only ever move within your awareness by being aware of being in any particular reality. So the key to shifting to any reality is to be aware of already being in that reality via the feeling of that reality. The feeling of any particular reality in your consciousness is what gives that reality its objectivity or solidity. So see what you would see, hear what you would hear, touch what you would touch, taste what you would taste, or smell what you would smell if you were already in your desired reality. In other words, use your senses to be aware of already being in that reality. For wherever your awareness rests or is focused, there the dream solidifies or it becomes real. Thus you appear there in your body, which is simply a projection of your consciousness.